Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to Belgravia Center, which is at Lake Victoria. I was going there to do my hair treatment. I actually do the minoxidil treatment, which is very good for if you're having thinning hair or if you're having a hair loss. So it actually just give you a little boost in your hair and help you in the hair growth as well. So yeah, I'm doing that treatment today. They actually wash your hair and then they put the minoxidil cream on your hair, and then they put the steamer for about half an hour, and then they do some LED light for the scalp, which give you an amazing result. There's the LED light. It's very good for your hair, though. It actually opens up the
petroleum price shocks from time to time.
That's my dinner. I'm so sorry I couldn't make the recipe for that, but I will definitely add the recipe in my next video. Garden cleaning. We were cleaning the garden and here's what happens. Yeah, got chopped. Can't shake my hand at all. I cannot move my hand. The garden and by mistake chopped my finger in the garden scissor. Right now it's very painful. And the tree is gone. I chopped the tree down. And now we are watering the grass. It looks so tidy actually.
So my dad's preparing the soil to plant the seeds. And now we're gonna plant coriander. So we're just separating it. These are the seeds that we're gonna be planting. Let me just... So we have all the seeds, and now we're gonna choose which one to grow. These are all the herbs. So we're gonna plant the cherry tomatoes, and what else?
Maybe the peas or the peppers.
Maybe peas as well. So we're all just deciding which one to choose.
Into two sections, right? One, like this. So you put one thing here, 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 one thing here. You can put 6. Let's see if it grows.
One? You do the next one.
I went to the
Okay, here, do it in this one.
We're gonna plant some onions as well. So
There, half there and half on the other side.
yeah.
Fruit and vegetable liquid feed. I'm going to add some of it before we add some water. So that will help this soil become better.
Now wash my hands. Let me look at it. I was eating Oreos.
No, not.
Let me look at it. I was eating Oreos.
Just a little bit drum out.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Capsules. Okay. Okay. Well, that's okay.
Planting some courgette.
Put some feed in it to help grow. Just a little bit. Okay, now I get some water. That's it.
Now all the seeds have been planted. Now we are gonna water them. and let's see the result in about 2 to 3 weeks time.
So we bought this lamp off Amazon. It's a solar lamp, so we want to light up our garden. We've tried a few, and now we say we'll try this model, see if it works. And we'll let you know. This is a lamp we've placed. We've done it on our shed. We put the solar lamp on top so it can charge. And we'll give you a verdict later on. See how it is.
You can see Mum is injured. It's okay, but we did a little spine.
Boys, which one?
Stop moving your finger.
Everybody.
It looks so cute, guys. And Mum is in her pajamas like always, doing work. Ooh. Mum is getting tired, guys. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Guys, let's try and support Mother on this. We need to help Mum so she doesn't feel more pain.
Okay, this is the one once it's already up. So now we'll see. This is an electric one which we have to take off, which doesn't work. And now we'll see what the solar one does.
I came to my surgery. Actually, they're gonna change my bandage. It's very, very painful actually. So yeah, let's see what they say. Yeah, I got a little treatment. They are washing my wound and then they're gonna do an x-ray to see what's wrong with the finger, because it was actually chopped. So that the x-ray which shows I got a fracture right on the tip, which is extremely painful, and now it's going to take a long time to heal, but it's okay. Let's spend some time with the family, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.